Imagine a tiny desk piled high with open books. Every book is a task your computer is doing right now. Suddenly, a friend hands you 3 more books, but there is no empty space left on the desk. You cannot close a book yet, you still need it. So where could all these extra books possibly go? So that crowded desk has a name. It is RAM, your computer's fast-working memory. Everything the computer is actively using sits here because the desk is lightning quick to reach. But a fast desk is also small and expensive, so it fills up surprisingly fast when many programs run at once. Now look under the desk. There sits a giant drawer, your hard drive or SSD. It holds far more than the desk ever could, and it costs much less per book. There is one catch, though: reaching into that drawer is far slower than grabbing something already on top of the desk. Remember the overflowing desk. Here is the clever trick. The computer sets aside a special corner of that big drawer and pretends it is extra desk space. This borrowed corner has a name: swap space. It lets the desk act bigger than it really is, so the extra books finally have somewhere to go. So how does the computer actually move things around? It does not shove whole messy piles. Instead, it slices memory into small, equal-sized blocks called pages, like tidy index cards. Because every page is the same size, they are easy to lift out, carry, and slot back in without any mess or wasted space. Now that memory is in tidy pages, the computer watches which ones you actually use. A page you have not touched in a while is probably asleep, so the computer lifts that sleepy page off the desk and tucks it into swap space in the drawer. This is called swapping out, and it frees the desk. Remember those 3 books with nowhere to go? Now the desk has an open slot, so a new page can move right in. The computer keeps doing this quietly in the background. To you, it simply looks like the desk magically never runs out of room, even when you open more and more programs. So what happens when you suddenly need that stashed page again? You click back to that sleeping program. The computer reaches into the drawer, lifts the page out of swap, and carries it back onto the desk. This return trip is called swapping in. The page is awake again, exactly as you left it. But the desk is small, so bringing a page back can mean the desk is full again. The computer must pick some other quiet page and swap it out to make room. It is a constant game of musical chairs, pages moving up to the desk and down to the drawer, always trading places to keep things fitting. How does the computer choose which page to stash? It is smart about it. It picks the page you have ignored for the longest time, guessing you will not need it soon. This rule is called least recently used. Choosing well means the pages you actually want almost always stay ready on the fast desk. Now that magic is not free. Grabbing a page from the fast desk takes almost no time, but reaching into the slow drawer can take thousands of times longer. Usually you never notice because swapping happens rarely. But when it happens a lot, that slow drawer trip starts to add up and you feel it. So what if you open way too many programs? The desk overflows badly and the computer swaps pages out and in non-stop. It spends all its energy carrying books to and from the drawer instead of doing real work. Everything freezes and stutters. This traffic jam has a name: thrashing. Remember thrashing. The fix is balance. A little swap space is a healthy safety net that catches overflow so programs do not crash. But swap should never replace real RAM. The best setup is enough desk for daily work, plus a modest drawer underneath, ready for those rare busy moments. So next time your phone keeps a dozen apps open at once, think swap space. Quietly, it tucks the apps you are not looking at into storage and pulls back the one you tap. That invisible juggling lets a small device feel roomy. It is happening right now, on the device in your hand. So let us pull it all together. RAM is your small fast desk. Swap space is a slow drawer on disk that catches the overflow. Pages move out when idle and back when needed, chosen wisely to keep the desk clear. A little swap helps, but too much causes thrashing. That is the balancing act of swap space.